Honda Civics, the 7th gens, mostly the D series that have the cylinder head seals on them. So that's what I'm talking about. This seal, it just pops right off, but it leaks, and this is the most common one. You can't buy it at like AutoZone or anything. They don't sell it, so I had to order it online. It's really cheap. It's about $3. So I'll go ahead and show you how to put that on. All you need is a screwdriver flathead, and we will be able to pop that on. All you need is a flathead. Just pop the old one off. Should come off pretty easy. There we go. Fell down there. Alright, here's the old one. Yeah, this rubber is pretty much trashed on it. I'll show you. There's the old one. Here's the new one. This one has a way better O-ring on it. Alright, so you can put the old one over here. There's the new one. I dropped it, but I'll go ahead and clean up this oil right there. Set the camera down for a minute. Go ahead and just clean it. It's gonna keep coming out, so it don't matter. Clean it as much as you can. Get your new one. And just pop it right on. And make sure these lines right here are, you know, right here with these lines. See those two lines? So it needs to be just like that when it goes in. Should just pop right in. Kind of hard to do with two hands. Let's see here. There we go. Set the camera up for you guys so I can use both hands here. Alright, there we go. See how it's flat? It's the same as right there with those two lines. Those just need to mark up or else it's gonna leak. Yeah, so hopefully that don't leak anymore. I'll come back tomorrow and check it and see. But that is how you install a cylinder head seal. Very easy. And remember, it has to line up with these two lines. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you're new.